Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate coffee beans. And this is a really simple thing to make, but it actually works as a really effective garnish for any drinks or desserts, and just adds that little extra burst of flavour as well. And it's actually also a really tasty little treat to have with a cup of tea or coffee. And it's actually, you may not know, but coffee beans, which I have here, are actually really good for you as well. It's similar to cacao, has similar health benefits, and they're very high in antioxidants. They're also help to give you more energy, more mental alertness, and boost the mood. So it's actually it's okay to have coffee, but obviously not in excess. And if you eat these coffee beans, just remember they are a more concentrated form of caffeine than if you had a cup of coffee. But they're just a really delicious treat and pretty beneficial for health. I've just got some melted dark chocolate, which is 70% cacao, 70% cacao. So it's lower in sugar, and it works really well to have a low sugar and more bitter dark chocolate with the coffee bean. Actually, it has a really good taste rather than if you use this sweeter chocolate. And make sure it's vegan, of course. So you just need some coffee beans, any coffee beans that you like, and just dip them into the chocolate and coat them. And then just put them on some baking paper so that they can set. Okay, so when you've done that, just put it in the freezer for a few minutes just to harden. So they've been in the freezer a few minutes, and as you see, they have hardened up, so you can just get them off the paper quite easily. So now I'm going to dip them again so they have a double coating of chocolate, and an optional extra, you could roll them in some coconut or some crushed nuts or chocolate shavings, or you could just leave them plain. So I'll just do another coating of chocolate on these. So let's coat that again. And I'll put it in some coconut. I'll just leave that one as it is. So some are plain, some are in coconut or nuts or chocolate. So it's up to you, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so once you've done the next coat, just put them in the freezer and let them firm up. So there you have your chocolate coffee beans all ready to serve. As you can see, you can decorate desserts, or you could do drinks. You could just use them as a tasty snack with a cup of tea, and that would be a delicious, tasty treat. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.